the E part now then. So if you can see out the figure down here for the E is that we have for the E is k2 k squared plus 3k is equals to 0. Now to solve out here, let's go find and factor out the common term for k. So that's going to give us with k times k plus 3 then. That is equals to 0 then. So we're going to set out here for the cases then. So that's going to give us with k, and now would be other one would be k plus 3 then. So we're going to have 140, k is for zeros then. Now, so this one here, we have the first answer for k is equals to 0, and for the second one is k is equals to -3 then. Okay. All right, so that is how we were able to find out for